So woke up immediately the next morning and drove like back down to Sacramento Valley and bought like Thule crossbars because I had roof box and like bike racks and stuff from my Audi.
Yeah.
I just needed the crossbars to mount it. So yeah, 12 hours less than.
So what was it that you did next after that? And did you start kind of formulating a plan and a list of mods that you wanted to do, or was it just kind of thinking of them as you went along?
A little bit of both. I'd say that like genuinely the first day I owned it, I ordered Rally Armor like mud flaps and like yellow foam, and then I think a hitch as well because it didn't have a hitch, so I wanted to get my bike rack on it.
Yeah.
I had refract bike racks, but like the bike rack out the back is a little bit more convenient, especially coming from my Audi. My Audi was so low down, the roof was like easy to get a bike onto, but the Crosstrek being a bit taller, even factory is a bit tricky.
That's a good point.
I wanted to get my hitch bike rack on, so yeah, I ordered a hitch, mud flaps, and then like fog light overlay. And then I think also that very first day I plasti dipped like everything I could.
Yeah, that's a good mod.